The equation ax square plus 5x is equal to 3 has x is equal to 1 as solution. What is the other solution? Here it is given that ax square plus 5x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 is its one solution. To find the value of the other solution, we will first put x is equal to 1 in the given equation. So put in the given equation. So we get a 1 into x square plus 5 into 1 equals to 3. Here we get a 1 square, we get 1 into a plus 5 times 1 is 5 equals to 3. Shift this 5 to the right side, so we can write that 3 minus 5, its sign will be changed. Here we get a equals to minus 2. Put a equals to minus 2 in the given equation. So it will be minus 2 x square plus 5x equals to 3. We can write it minus 2x square plus 5x, shift this 3 to the left side equals to 0. Now take minus 1 common, so here we get x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. When we take minus 1 common, so the minus term will become plus term or positive, and the positive will become negative. Now multiply both sides by minus 1 or divide both sides by minus 1. Let multiply both sides by minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to minus 1 into 0. So when these minus 1 multiply, we get here plus 1 or 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals to minus 1 times 0 is 0. Now we will factorize this to get the solution. Look at here, by multiplying these two we get 6, and we can write this is minus 2 and minus 3. So look, 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 equals to 0. Now take 2x common from here, we get x minus 1, and minus 3 from here we get x minus 1 equals to 0. If we multiply 2x with this, we will get this 2x into x we get 2x square, and 2x into minus 1 we get minus 2x. Similarly, minus 3 into x we get minus 3x, and minus into minus plus 3 times 1 is 3. Now take x minus 1 common, so we get 2x minus 3 equals to 0. The product of these two is 0, so take x minus 1 equals to 0 and 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Shift this 1 to the right side, we get x equals to 1, and shift this 3 to the right side, we get 3. Now here divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2. This 3 by 2 is the other solution. This is given in the question that x is equal to 1 is one solution. This 3 by 2 is the other solution. We have find it. The next question is, what is the positive difference of the roots of x square minus 7x minus 9 equals to 0. Solution: write the given equation x square minus 7x minus 9 equals to 0. We can solve this question by quadratic formula. First of all, we will compare it with the general form of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here the a value is 1, the b value is minus 7, and the c value is minus 9. Using quadratic formula, we have that is x equals to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Putting the values here, x equals to minus, the b value is minus 7, plus minus under the root minus 7 square minus 4, the a value is 1 and the c value is minus 9 whole under the root whole divided by 2, the a value is 1. We get here x equals to minus into minus plus 7 plus minus under the root (49) minus into minus plus 36 whole divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Now look, 7 plus minus under the root 85, 36 plus 49, we get 85 whole divided by 2. So here we have two roots. The one is x equals to 7 plus under the root 85 by 2, and the other is x equals to 7 minus under the root 85 divided by 2. Now it is given in the question that find the positive difference of the roots. So if we look at here, this one is greater and this one is smaller, because here plus sign is used and here minus sign is used. So this one is greater, so finding the positive square root, we will subtract this from this. So right here the positive difference is equal to 7 plus under the root 85 divided by 2 and minus 7 minus under the root 85 divided by 2. Take the LCM, which is 2. 7 plus under the root 85 minus, put the bracket here because this minus will multiply here and the sign will be changed, it will become positive. Now in the next step we get 7 plus under the root 85 minus 7 plus under the root 85 divided by 2. These two cancel with each other. We get 2 under the root 85 divided by 2. These two cancel with this. We get 85. So the positive difference of the root is 85 under the root. Solution of the equations reducible to quadratic form. Exercise 1.2. The first question is x power 4 minus 5x square plus 4 equals to 0. This equation is having a degree 4. Here the highest power of the exponent is 4, so it is 4 degree equation, and it is also called biquadratic equation. We can change this equation into quadratic equation and then we will solve it. So how? Solution. We can write this x power 4 is x square whole square minus 5x square plus 4 equals to 0. Now put x square is equal to y. So we can write it y square minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0. Look, this biquadratic equation has changed into a quadratic equation, and now we will solve it by factorization or by quadratic formula or